How to delete your TikTok account permanently. Here is the correct step by step process you can follow. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile section. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Next, go to Account and tap on Deactivate or Delete Account. Now select Delete Account Permanently. After that, you will see a screen with important details before deletion. It will ask you to review the task before deleting your account. Carefully go through the information, then tap Continue. On the next screen, you may see an option to request a data download. This allows you to save your account information before deletion. If you want a backup, select it. Otherwise, simply tap Continue. After this, TikTok will show you the 30-day deletion period notice, which means your account will not be deleted immediately. During this time, your account remains in a deactivated state. If you log back in within these 30 days, you can still recover your account. After the 30-day period, your account and all data will be permanently deleted. Finally, confirm the process by tapping Continue and completing the final deletion step. And that's it. Your TikTok account is now set for permanent deletion in a secure and proper way, without any confusion.